Hey guys, been playing Real Racing 3 for a fair bit and always used to get a really sore neck holding the iPad and doing the twisty thing like a steering wheel. And I saw an advert for a steering wheel for the iPad, and it basically was just this. It's just a stand that allows you to rotate it. So I thought, hey, I can make one of these. And it completely fixed up my sore neck and shoulder issue. So I can just sit this on a desk or a table now, put it at the right height, and I don't have to hold it. I can just sit there and rotate it and do the thumbs thing for acceleration and brakes. All it is, and this is pretty agricultural and unrefined, but it works perfectly well. Just some brackets to hold the iPad and stop that from falling off. I've got a nut in there which I've just covered to stop it marking the back of the iPad. The base is just a bit of ply, and I think I've put some little rubber feet on the bottom there so it doesn't slide around too much. Bit of ply, bit of piano hinge. These brackets I've just got from Bunnings. You can sort of multi-hole, so you can put it at whatever height you like. I can make it steeper or a shallow angle if I need to. That's just a bit of ply. I shape that because as you turn it, you want a bit of extra room for your thumbs. So you don't want your, if I hadn't, let's see if I can explain this. If I hadn't cut that out as I turn it there, then my fingers would jam into the edge of the pine behind there, which is why I've got these cutouts. You can't sort of keep hold of it and turn it all the way around. You can spin it, but that sort of never works really anyway, depending on what game you're playing. Yeah, so look, easy done. Knock it up in the shed for next to nothing. You know, there's maybe $5 or $10 worth of bits and pieces, and I think I had most of it in the shed already. I've got a couple of nylon washers in between this bit here, just to keep it away from the pine there and to give it a bit of free turning thing. And that's a nylock nut, so that doesn't sort of tend to come loose once you tighten it to what you want. And that works really well. I just experimented with you know, how far up I'd want it off a table. You can make this any height you like, and that works really well. One steering wheel. Bob's your uncle.